Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam vase and centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of these Rhinestone Buckles. This is an oval shaped buckle. I picked these up at Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need some floral foam. I have two different kinds here. You're going to need a paintbrush, some Mod Podge, some wire, and this comes in a pack of 3. You're going to need 1 or 2 of these. They come in a pack of 4, and these are little silver candy dishes. You're going to need a pack of this paper, and this is just foil sheets. And there's 20 of these for $1 at Dollar Tree. I will be using this silver. There's other colors in here like gold and blue. There's a real pretty pink and an orange color in there as well. You're going to need 1 of these. I guess these are considered vases. I couldn't find the clear one, so I have an amber one. You may be able to find clear at your Dollar Tree. But anyway, it won't matter. And then I have some white flowers, and you can really use whatever color flowers that you like. I have small gemstones. These are from Walmart. They're peel and stick. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And then I have the larger peel and stick gemstones, also from Walmart. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make any components of this project permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to get this beautiful vase and centerpiece completed, so let's get started. there you have another super simple glam DIY. Now, didn't this centerpiece and vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And how easy was this to make? Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam videos and glam DIYs, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.